As part of celebrations for the Lantern Festival, a unique night fair was held in چھیلؤو Street in Haikou, capital of China's Hainan province. Revelers could watch performances, view lanterns, and solve riddles written on attached notes. The booths, featuring local delicacies, intangible cultural heritages, and foreign products, not only light up the night economy, but also offer visitors a special experience of the Lantern Festival.
I am selling coconut ice cream. We make it ourselves with a recipe from Italy. I like to participate in these events because I get the chance to promote my business and also to meet a lot of people and to make more friends. So it's really nice. It's a good opportunity. So I love the music, always good. With the lights, this street is so beautiful always. They make it so pretty. It's really welcoming. I know we are at the end of the Chinese New Year and I know we are celebrating the Lantern Festival, which I think is beautiful. Those lanterns, the tradition is amazing.
Today we took rice. It's from Pakistan, and the second product is cosmetics. It's a ginger shampoo. We are happy and we are enjoying the weather and the environment. Everything we're enjoying. The lightings and the designs, everything I think is perfect. There are so many people, and the Chinese, they are very friendly with Pakistani people and with other foreigners. They are very friendly. So I respect their festival. I love this festival too.
今天我带来了我们的双面绣产品，还有我们的礼锦的那个收纳包，还有手机包，还有那个书签。
很热闹啊，卖的东西也都很漂亮，就很符合节日的氛围，很有节日的感觉。就除了有我们国家的传统产品之外，还有其他国家的，就感觉让我们的就购物体验就更加丰富，很新鲜的感觉。